Hi, my name's Elizabeth. I'm originally from the UK and I'm now working in Los Angeles as an actress. I'm going to go into audition. If you want to come with me, you're more than welcome. Hi everyone, hi.
Elizabeth, hi.
Hi, nice to meet you, hi. Oh, do you want the, that's great, thank you.
Okay, quick slate and straight into it, please.
Okay, quick question. I am British, so would you like it in a British or an American accent?
American, please.
American. Okay, great. Elizabeth Aarons, 5'6". Oh, sorry, no. Elizabeth Aarons, 5'6". Well, how can I tell you if you're never here?
Great. Okay, can we let's try it again. Maybe less, just a little less. Less, yeah.
Less.
Just less.
Okay, so
Just say the line, say the line.
just say it.
Yeah.
Just bring it down.
Bring it down.
Okay.
Great. You're on time.
Well, how can I tell you if you're never here?
Okay, yeah, I think we can bring it down even lower. I mean, really, just say the line.
Bring it down lower.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. Bring it down. Well, how can I tell you if you're never here?
Yeah, the voice was lower in tone, but you okay? Kleenex?
Sorry,
Yeah.
it's quite an emotional scene,
Let's just try, just say the line, nothing else.
Nothing, I don't.
Just say the line. What's the line?
How can I tell you if you're never here?
Great, thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, but I need to.
No, that was awesome, thank you.
But I didn't do.
No, I think you really nailed it.
You- Oh,
Thank you.
okay. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that went pretty well. Fingers crossed.